Why fencing? Fencing teaches students to understand themselves, control their emotions, and strengthen their bodies. Fencing builds habits of discipline and persistence. Fencing improves school readiness skills, their focus, memory, and following instructions. Finally, fencing helps students get into 44 top United States colleges that have fencing teams. Fencing builds healthy bodies in an encouraging and engaging way. Footwork, drills, and blade work feel game-like for kids, but they are really strengthening their physical reflexes and developing body control. Fencing builds strong thinking skills, such as sharpening concentration. Kids must pay attention to their opponent, the referee, and their own technique, which is excellent practice for school focus. Encouraging problem solving. Each bout is like a moving puzzle, helping kids learn strategic thinking early on. Teaching emotional regulation. Fencers practice staying calm and making decisions under pressure and bouncing back after mistakes. We know the critical importance of social and emotional development in early childhood. Fencing is a good outlet for students to develop confidence and feel proud as they master new skills week by week. The structured rules of fencing help children learn courtesy and self-discipline. Footwork and swordplay channel energy in a positive, controlled way.